As an educator, we can use different strategies in our teaching, especially if we are teaching little kids. We need to be alive in our teaching, and the use of our materials should be attractive for them to join in class. Nowadays, our need in teaching is on the internet. We need to be searchable in all things, especially in doing materials for our teaching. Good day, everyone. So for today, I will share to you how to use the Google Classroom. But before that, I prepared some facts how to use the Google Classroom. Number 1. What is the web address for Google Classroom? You will be in Google Classroom, select Join in your internet browser, and then type classroom.google.com. Or you may install the Classroom app on your Android on your device and then tap Play Store. Find and install the Google Classroom app. Fact number 2. How do I join a Google Classroom? Go to classroom.google.com and click Sign In. Sign in with your Google account. Join a class. Click the class link your teacher shared. Select the account you use for Classroom. Fact number 3. Is a Google Classroom a website? Google Classroom is a suite of online tools that allows teachers to set assignments, have work submitted by students, to mark and to return graded papers. It was created as a way to eliminate paper in classes and to make digital learning possible. Alright, so now I will share my screen to you to know more about the use of Google Classroom. Alright, so as you can see here, I already made a ClassNoVation. So you may customize it. Just click on this part on the right side. So it's up to you. You may choose whatever you want. Alright, next, as you can see here on the left side, so we have class code. So you may copy or send it to your students, or you may use this to scan the QR code. And as you can see here, I already posted a new material demonstration last December 27. So on the upper, so we have here a stream, classroom, people, and grades. So under stream, you may upload a file as well as the classwork. People, you may invite your students, just get their Gmail account. And then on the right side, we also have grades. So you may post the grades of your students. So I will open the file demonstration. So as you can see here, the subject is math and the level is for the kindergarten. So don't forget the prayers. It's very important to start in your class, as well as the rules. So during the pandemic, so it's all about the online class rules. And then before that, we have a motivation. So the motivation is very important to the students. So you may upload a video wherein they can follow and then explain the instructions. And the topic under the motivation or after the motivation, we also have here the object patterns. Just tell something about the object patterns. It says here the object patterns, it shows sets of objects that are arranged repeatedly. So you may use the GIF objects or the objects that are moving because the kids really love it. So on this slide, I use the object like pencil, bag, and crayons. So call one student and then ask what is the next pattern or the next object after crayon. And when the student answer the question, don't forget to say well done or give a reward to the student who answered correctly. And then for the next slide, you may use also the GIF So I use here 2 robots, 2 cars, and 1 doll. And then call again another student to ask what is the next object or the next pattern. So same procedure, give them points or give them reward. And then for the third slide, I use the object jacket and umbrella. On the fourth slide, I use the shoes and socks. And on the fifth slide, I use the short and the belt. So same procedure again, call one student on each slide and then compliment them or give them points or say job well done or very good. So the students really love that. So much activity or more activity, so much better. So that they will be familiarized on the topic about the object patterns. So after the activity, so you may give them activity works on their book. So for example, do pages 31 to 34 on your Count and Grow book. So it depends on the subject. And then after that, just like what I said a while ago, give them a compliment, just like great job, very good, GIF as well, or points. So it's up to you. It can be 100 points or 1,000 points. And then after the lesson, if you want to give assignment, you can give. And then don't forget to say thank you for their participation in your class. So that's all for today. Thank you.